Lion King, I knew every single word of these movies, and I would amuse and also annoy my family by reciting them
Ça a
constantly.
l'air très petit comme scène.
So it really is such a dream to get to work on these worlds and characters as an adult.
Ça a l'air d'être très petit. Vous entendez mieux?
Hi everybody, my name is Riley Wignall. I'm the lead
On l'avait
narrative
déjà
designer on
vu
Disney Dreamlight
au
Valley,
showcase de
which
l'année
means I
dernière.
work on writing a lot of the stories and creating a lot of the stories, and I also have the pleasure of doing a lot of
J'ai augmenté le son.
management of the scripts from our amazing writing team.
Est-ce que ça va là?
A fun fact about me is that I've been obsessed with Disney video games since childhood. I played so much of the Aladdin Super Nintendo
J'ai
game,
augmenté,
and to
il se
this day,
présente là, en fait.
I see some people here on the same boat. And this is going to be either impressive or not impressive because
C'est
now people know
parfait,
what I'm talking
impeccable.
about.
Merci
I,
Bastien.
to this day,
T'en
I can beat it in under 30 minutes without cheat codes. Not
That's
a brag.
very impressive.
What?
I don't know. I think that's pretty impressive, Riley. My name is Lexi McMullen, and I've been a producer on the Disney and Pixar Games team for 6 years. I am a Disney devotee and super fan. I'm even part of a D23 charter membership family, and I am absolutely thrilled to be able to bring our stories to fans in new and magical ways.
Laurel, je suis pas sûr qu'elle s'occupe des
Well,
DV.
of course, thank
C'est
you
une
guys. And thank you
productrice
guys
de
for
Disney,
joining
d'après
us
ce que
today.
j'ai
We're
compris.
very excited. But before we jump into things, I'll provide a small breakdown of what you can expect from today's panel. So to start, we're going to be talking about what is Disney Dreamlight Valley, how it came to be, our community, and its
Donc
impact
là,
on the
ils
game.
vont
And of
commencer
course,
par nous
we
dire
have
ce qu'est
some
Dreamlight
special
Valley,
surprises
la
and reveals
communauté,
in
tout ça.
store.
Merci
But to
Poétiquement
start,
Livresque.
one of those being, as an extra gift to thank you for attending today's panel, on your way out, you'll be able to pick up an exclusive Disney Dreamlight Valley pin.
Ah, donc,
Yes.
le public
Oh,
va
yeah.
avoir un pins de Disney Dreamlight
And
Valley.
also for our in-person attendees, we also have an extra special giveaways. One lucky winner will be able to win a custom Disney Dreamlight Valley Xbox Series S console.
Donc, ils vont offrir à quelqu'un du public
If
une
you'd like a
box
chance to win,
custom
there's the QR code
DDV.
up on the screen, so make sure that you can scan it.
Donc voilà, il
And
y a
for our
un
lovely
QR
Valley villagers
code.
watching from home, hello, don't worry, we also have a special surprise for you in store, and it'll be shown at the end of the
Et ils
stream.
disent que pour ceux qui sont à
So
la
we'll give
maison, il
everyone
y
a
aura un
minute to
cadeau
scan.
également.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, mom, ils sont bêtes.
Awesome. And if anybody has any trouble, just raise your hand. We have people around who will come and help you. So, starting, we'll take a look at what life looks like in the valley for anybody who might not know.
Donc là, ils vont parler de la vallée. Ils vont montrer... Alors ça, c'est une nouvelle bande-annonce qui est sortie il y a quelques jours. Je crois que j'en ai parlé en live. Je vais baisser un peu le son. Tu parles, on ne t'entend pas beaucoup. Je baisse un peu le son des développeurs qui parlent. Comme ça, à quoi ressemble la vie dans la vallée, vidéo avec le perso. Poétiquement l'ivresse, mais les traductions. Donc n'hésitez pas à regarder dans le chat. Moi, je vais aussi beaucoup écouter, pas forcément beaucoup parler. Mais voilà. C'est vrai qu'elle est belle, Courtenay. Et elle assure, je trouve. Et j'aime beaucoup cette musique, par contre. Je trouve qu'elle assure vraiment, Courtenay. Je trouve qu'elle assure. Elle n'a pas l'air stressée ni rien. Coucou Princesse Adrénaline. Et j'aime beaucoup cette bande-annonce, je la trouve hyper dynamique. Je sais pas ce que vous en pensez. Elle est jeune en plus, c'est super, c'est clair. Putain, mais moi je veux la même vallée. La nouvelle bande-annonce, c'est top. Elle est sortie il y a à peu près 2 semaines. Elle montre rien de nouveau malheureusement, rien du tout. J'adore cette image avec toutes les photos. Je me demande si c'est des photos Dream Snaps. Elle est disponible sur... Alors avant, il y avait marqué Your Dream, Your Valley au lieu de Jump Into There.
I love that trailer.
So good.
We're up here dancing on stage.
Yeah.
Elle dit qu'elle peut danser
Okay,
sur
so
scène.
let's start, and maybe you guys can share what someone's first
Elle dit-
experience might look like in the valley.
M'a
Oh my
grillé.
gosh. I would say that stepping into Dreamlight Valley is like moving into a neighborhood with all of your favorite Disney and Pixar characters.
Alors elle dit qu'être
and has
dans
sometimes
Disney
has these
Dreamlight
really
Valley, c'est
unexpected
comme
results and
avoir pour
crazy
voisins les
stories.
personnages
I mean, what do
de
you get if you
Disney
take
et
a
de
lion
Pixar.
who thinks he's meant to be king, a tiny chef, an alien who's built to destroy, and then a duck who throws a monumental tantrum but is still courageous, perhaps legendary. that's Dreamlight Valley in a nutshell. I think it's just this big magical place where these unexpected relationships and friendships
C'est
form.
une grande
You get
place
to solve
magique
mysteries,
avec
you get to go on
des
adventures,
amitiés
and I'm
inattendues,
probably
des
gonna say this word 20
aventures.
times in this panel, but it's magical. It's really magical.
Et c'est
Someone keep
magique.
count.
Yeah.
Ah, dis d'autres trucs,
and
mais j'ai
so,
pas tout compris.
like, you can imagine with all of these Disney and Pixar characters running around, things get very busy in the valley. But it also is magical will be the word I think we use a lot in this panel. But the great thing
Gremlins
about it
en est
is you
deux.
get to choose which villagers you're going to pair off with, leveling them up, doing their quests.
Ils sont en train de dire en fait que vraiment le mot magique ça résume bien DDV et ils disent qu'en fait on peut y faire ce qu'on veut, on peut lier les amitiés avec qui on veut, on peut la décorer comme on veut, y compris notre personnage, on peut être qui on veut et se déguiser comme on veut. Elle dit des trucs, oui, elle dit des trucs. Alors j'aime bien dire, il y a beaucoup de choses à faire, mais c'est quand même assez
Well, the
cosy.
game is very cozy type experience. It's also unique to everyone's own Disney experience. It's for everyone who's always dreamed of creating their own space to spend time with their Disney and Pixar friends. And through your adventures, you get to experience the same wonder, discovery, and friendship that we've really come to love from our favorite characters.
Je
And when
comprends
you're not
rien, j'écoute
adventuring,
pas
you
trop.
can just
Je
hang
pense à autre
out and
chose.
relax
Coucou
with
Jojo.
characters as they tag along while you farm, cook, and mine materials, so you can really live alongside them in your valley. Dreamlight Valley is a world that is constantly evolving and growing with our players, and the real adventure that you get to
Donc
go
elle dit
on
que
is
c'est une
creating
île
your
et
own
un
Disney
jeu qui évolue beaucoup avec les
experiences.
joueurs.
Absolutely. I think many of us will know, and if you don't know, there's always something to do in the valley. So
Et qu'il y a
much
toujours quelque
so
chose à
that I'm
faire dans la
sure some
vallée.
people might wonder, how does a game like this come to be?
So, when I was a kid, one of the most exciting things about seeing a Disney movie was actually what would happen
Roger
after it, which would be
Rab,
like you're
prof.
on the ride home from
Coucou,
the
Lilia.
theater in the back
Et
of the
coucou,
car, and
Jack
you're
County.
thinking about what would happen to those characters next, or you're imagining kind of what adventures even you would go on with those characters. And I think
Là, ils nous
that
disent
for all
que
Disney fans,
c'est un
there's
jeu
a
qui est plein de
place in your
surprises où en fait on peut se
imagination
demander ce qui
where
va
these
se
characters
passer.
just feel very, very, very
Exactement, je
real.
sortirai évidemment
And we
des
wanted to
vidéos
create
pour
a
tout
game
expliquer. Là, en
that
fait, ils
allowed
sont
you to
en
basically go
train de
and
parler
visit
de ce
that
qu'on peut
place in
faire
your
dans le
imagination
jeu.
where these characters are real and you
Qu'il y a
live with
toujours des
them.
nouveautés, il y a
And,
toujours des choses à faire,
so
voilà. Vous avez vu
what
la
we
jupe de la
figured was that
dame?
the best format that you could
Il y a
put
des
that
personnages
into
Disney
would be a
dessus,
life sim,
celle qui est au
because you
milieu.
can sort of look at the full Disney and Pixar cast of characters and immediately imagine how you can transfer specific things about them into cozy life sim gameplay.
So almost like you get to really meet and almost rediscover the personalities of some beloved Pixar and Disney characters.
Excuse me.
En fait,
Yeah,
ils parlent
I
des
would
personnages où ils
completely
disent
agree with that. I
que,
think,
en
something
fait,
Josh touched on
quand
is, like,
ils
so many
disent
of
qu'ils
us
vont
have
mettre un
relationships
personnage
with
dans le
these
jeu,
characters from a young
ils
age,
pensent
and they actually do
également
feel like our
à
friends. And
à
so this is
l'aventure
just,
qu'il
like,
va y
an
avoir,
extension of that that you
etc.
get to play.
On
A
peut farmer,
huge
cuisiner,
part of
évoluer
the game
du
is just
temps avec
encouraging our
les
players
DDV,
to
ça évolue
connect
tout le
with
temps
the
avec les
characters,
joueurs
whether
et
it's
ça
their
crée.
favorites or maybe they meet someone new and they get excited about finding a new favorite. Our team is really, really passionate about making this experience.
Ils disent
as
que la team,
authentic,
elle est vraiment passionnée,
in
c'est
the
clair.
valley
Le
as
t-shirt de la
possible.
dame,
Like,
il
we
y a des
want to
méchants
do every
dessus.
single character
Ah oui,
justice because
et c'est
every
une
character
chemise
is
avec,
someone's
c'est un
favorite.
t-shirt avec des méchants, ouais,
I
exact.
think
Et
a really
la dame là,
great
c'est
example of that
les gentils.
is,
Oh non, il y a
Buzz
Capitaine
and
Crochet
Woody,
ici, et là
but-
c'est les
okay.
méchants.
Sorry, I'm having an out-of-body experience right now.
Dory, je suis pas très bon en
So,
traduction,
Our
mais
team puts a lot of care into making these experiences really authentic, and making sure that it's true to the characters. So I'll talk about Buzz and Woody. If you don't know,
ils
in the
disent
game
qu'ils
we have
essayent de
something called
rendre
realms,
les
which
personnages
is
les
where
plus
we have,
authentiques
like, a
possibles, y
microcosm
compris dans
of
leur
this
quête et dans
Disney
leurs
movie that you
aventures.
go into to retrieve the
Ton
characters and
propre
bring
lieu,
them
tu
back to
découvres
your
l'amitié,
valley.
les aventures, la
And
magie,
so
tu
for
peux
Buzz and
farmer,
Woody,
cuisiner, passer
the
du temps
realm
avec les
is
persos.
Bonnie's room, which is sort of a no-brainer. It's their natural environment. But then we had to bring them into the valley, and our team really had to stop and take a moment to think about, what would these characters do? What can we do with them that feels true to them, but still
Bon, ils
ties
redisent
into
un
the
peu ce qu'ils ont
gameplay
dit tout
in a
à
fun
l'heure,
way.
c'est-à-dire que quand ils
So,
disent qu'ils vont mettre un
with
personnage
Buzz,
dans la vallée,
you start
ils
your
se
own
demandent
Dreamlight
ce qu'ils
Valley
peuvent
chapter
faire
of Space
avec,
Rangers. You
quelle
get your
aventure
own
ils peuvent lui faire
uniform, you
vivre,
get to go
quelle
around
quête,
recruiting, and then when
etc.
all said and done,
Ils
you
disent
have a
que
little
c'est une
launch
équipe
party,
de
and you get to go
passionnés.
on patrol with Buzz, which we felt,
Mel, je suis
is
d'accord avec
really
toi, les petites vignettes
normal
qu'on
for
voit
him
sont
because he's very
vraiment
vigilant, and it seems
sympas.
like a fun way to connect with that character. Woody, on the other hand,
Ils
you help
cherchent
him
aussi des
repair the
moyens
rocket ship claw
sympas
machine and then get the little aliens home.
d'interagir
I
avec
thought that was really
les
good for Woody,
personnages.
because in the movies, he's such a leader and he wants to look after the toys and guide them. And so we wanted the player to be like by Woody's side, getting to
Et
have
là,
that
en fait,
experience
elle donne
kind
en
of as
exemple
Woody,
l'arrivée
but with Woody. Like,
de Buzz
he's your best
l'éclair
friend.
dans le jeu.
And we try to aim to bring that sort of thought and care and intention to every character that we bring to the game, to really think about what those friendships would look like.
Yeah, you've done a great job with
Dory,
that
la déesse de la
authenticity,
traduction.
bringing those
Très
characters
clair.
to life. So thank you. At Disney, we wanted an entire new experience, not only for veteran fans like myself and many of you here today, but also for younger generations who are just starting to discover those Disney and Pixar stories that we've grown to love. Creating these cozy interactive moments has helped extend the storytelling of characters in the shared world of Dreamlight Valley. Players get to own their journey by spending days choosing the quests we go on. If you want to, you can go train with Hercules and Phil,
Non, Ambre.
or you can relax and decorate and garden with Wally.
En fait, tu disais à
You
peu
can
près
even dress
toujours
up
la
in
même
friendship
chose.
items inspired by some of your favorite
On fait ce qu'on veut
characters.
dans la vallée,
And
on fait les
throughout
quêtes
your
dans l'ordre qu'on
adventures or
veut,
days of
on fait celles
relaxation,
qu'on
you
veut,
get to
même si on
create
finit
and
par toutes
share
les
these
faire.
heartfelt moments with your
Et que c'est un
cherished
jeu qui est fait
characters.
aussi bien pour les
Fans
vieux
really enjoy
joueurs
these
que
moments
pour les
through the
nouveaux
experiences
joueurs.
and
Les
creations
plus
that y'all
jeunes, les
have
plus
shared
vieux,
with
on
us,
le voit.
and they are just
On
delightful, so
est
thank you.
très nombreux avec des âges
I
très
think it's
différents
very clear the
dans la
team
commune.
puts a lot of thought into building the world and everything, and this is a clear example of why it might draw
Donc là, elle
people
dit
keep
que
coming back to the valley. But what would you guys
développeurs
say you think really
mettent
keeps
beaucoup
bringing
d'idées dans
players
le
back
jeu,
to
en
the
fait.
valley?
So for me, it's about these unique and authentic to Disney elements, whether it's the cosmetics or the moments. So like when we're bringing characters like Lady and Tramp to the Valley, we know it's like, you gotta do something with spaghetti, right? Like, it would just be weird not to. Or if you're bringing Aladdin to the Valley, we know that we really want to allow players to go on a magic carpet ride with Aladdin, those things that like you would have dreamed of doing with these characters from watching the movie, and as well bringing a cosmetic like your
Avec plaisir,
own
Magic
magic
Before,
carpet
merci
for you to
Poétiquement
ride around the
Livresque
Valley.
pour les traductions dans le chat.
And then in addition to that, it's about finding these opportunities for these different worlds to interact. So we find things like with
Exactement,
Ariel
il n'y a
and
pas
Wally,
d'âge pour
they're both
adorer
kind of
Disney,
collectors, and
jolie
it's something
Narose.
that can really inspire people when they see these two characters from different universes come together, and you get to kind of think, oh, so that's what it would be like when Ariel and
Là,
Wally
il dit par
interact
exemple
with each
que
other.
quand il y a deux personnages
And
d'univers
that's a
différents
big
qui
part, I
arrivent dans
think,
la
of
même
the
mise à
success.
jour, ils doivent se faire
I
connecter
totally agree
entre eux.
with that. For me, I think that we have a really unique combination of cozy gameplay and all these amazing characters. So you
Donc
don't
c'est une
just get to cook,
combinaison
you're cooking
de
with
jeux
Remy or
cosy,
Tiana.
mais
You
aussi de
might be
personnages
using,
hyper
Lexi
connus.
mentioned Wally's Garden earlier, so you might be using ingredients from Wally's Garden or fishing, or using fish that you got from Goofy.
Merci
And
pour
so
tous les follow,
it's
Pauline,
really,
Ambre,
gameplay and
Natsuko
characters are integrated in such
et
a fun
Madame
way.
Nobara. Merci beaucoup.
I think the game is also just chock full of Easter eggs. There's music, there's
Ils parlent
recipes.
également
One of the things we have is
d'easter
Aurora's
eggs.
handmade
Ils disent
birthday
qu'il y a
cake.
beaucoup
We
d'easter
got
eggs dans le jeu et que c'est un plaisir pour eux de les
spinach
rajouter.
puffs. And that's just kind of like the start of it. There's a little bit of everything everywhere, and it's all yours to discover. And so I feel like everywhere players get to find little tributes to something that really matters to them. And that's what I think is really fun for
Who's
our
Steph Love
community.
Mike?
I totally agree, Riley. I think it's about the stories, the adventures, and the lessons that players learn along the way, alongside the characters that they already love. The main adventure that players go on is
Elle est
rediscovering
moins
who they
intéressante que
are
les autres,
and
je
what
trouve.
brought them joy in the valley before they grew
méchant.
up and life changed. This rediscovery with characters, it made us feel at home, and it continues to show us new ways we can express wonder, of being curious, and teaching the importance of working and growing together to better understand who we are and what truly makes us happy. Learning and going on adventures with our characters every
Je
day.
comprends pas trop
and
le
to Josh
lien
and Riley's point,
avec le jeu de ce
finding
qu'elle
those
dit.
tributes and recreating those moments from our favorite films, these are the reasons why players continue to be part of Dreamlight Valley. You could say that the valley and the community that's grown over the years, they feel like home now, and that's what keeps us
Ils disent
coming
que pour
back.
la vallée, c'est comme
Absolutely. I
une
feel
maison
like
pour
a
la
lot of
communauté
people would
qui
resonate
grandit
with that
beaucoup.
statement. At least hope so.
Lulu, à
And,
voir,
you
j'espère
know,
pas.
we mentioned recreating moments, rediscovering, all these different things that really capitalize on making somebody's experience unique in the game. So customization is key, of course, in that. Do you guys want
Elle
to
dit que la
explain different
customisation,
customizations
la
we have in the game?
décoration est est
Sure.
la clé dans le jeu.
From a narrative perspective, customizations are great because I think they let our players tell their own stories and make up their own stories, which is
Ils
so
disent qu'en fait,
important to
en
the Dreamlight Valley
personnalisant
experience.
la vallée et
We
le
have an
personnage,
amazing art team who work super
on
hard
fait
to
de la
make
vallée
these
la nôtre et
incredible
on montre qui on est
furniture
aussi
and
dans le
clothing,
jeu.
with
Du moins, à
every
travers le jeu,
update,
on
you know,
montre
they
qui
bring
on est.
something fresh, and it's really amazing to see what players do with them. And we try to respond to what players want. So, for instance, we noticed that a lot of our players really enjoy dressing up as royalty or princesses, and so we have a lot of clothing in game.
Voilà, il
that's
disait, il y en a qui aiment bien s'habiller en prince, en princesse, etc. Nat, il n'y a pas d'âge pour jouer Nat 39, même à 51 ans.
Frozen costume, like you can go and do all those things. My personal favorite, you may have noticed this cute little avatar over here, is the Milo Thatch.
Forcément. Elle dit que son outfit préféré dans le jeu, c'est celui de
big
Milo.
Atlantis
Alors,
Empire fan,
petit
and
easter egg sur
I
ce qui va arriver
loved,
bientôt.
The game before I got to work on it. So
Coucou,
I was
Céline.
like, oh, there's Atlantean architecture everywhere. This is awesome. And then when
C'est
I
pas
found
faux, il y a une
out
part
that
de
they
nous
were
dans les
adding this
persos. Elle
outfit,
dit en fait
I was like,
dans
instant,
comment on
this is-
s'habille,
it's
le
me,
maquillage, la
I'm going
coiffure,
on
etc.
adventures,
On
and so it's my
personnalise
favorite thing to
un
wear
peu
when I'm
le
exploring
perso à
Eternity
notre
Isle.
image ou à ce qu'on aime en fait.
It's great. So yeah, there's something really for everybody in there.
I gotta say, Riley, it looks really good on you. Additionally, using custom furniture, we've seen players create some really incredible scenes in the game. Everything from Main Street to Pixar Pier and Adventureland. Y'all are amazing. Keep those incredible creations coming.
Yes, please.
And even now, as we work on new
Alors là,
areas
c'est
for
l'image de
players
l'event,
to explore,
mais il
many
parle
points
pas
of
de l'event en
inspiration are
fait.
taken in reference to
C'est
enhance the player
c'est assez bizarre ce
experience.
qu'a dit cette
For
dame en
example,
vrai.
on the Monsters Inc. realm, you can find tons of little nods to the laugh floor. All furniture and decorations are planned in a way so players can recreate or create inspired areas and outfits from some of their favorite scenes and characters in the films.
J'avoue, j'ai du mal avec
And
ce
that
qu'elle
was
dit.
something that we really saw early on. Was
Customiser,
just
c'est la
how
clé, c'est
much
génial
our
car
players
c'est ta propre
had this
histoire.
desire
Les vêtements,
to create and to
on peut
express
être un prince, une
themselves,
princesse,
and that
perso de la Reine
really
des Neiges, de
inspired us,
l'architecture.
to bring
Elle
this
parle de sa
feature to the
tenue
game
Avatar,
called
c'est sa
Dream
préf, elle se
Snaps,
sent partir
which
à
is a
l'aventure
way to let
avec
players
sa tenue.
actually share the
Des
areas
joueurs ont
and the
créé
outfits
des
that
lieux
they're
incroyables,
making in the
c'est
game.
clair.
We wanted to
Il parle des Dream
give
Snaps
a way
et des
to
scènes
prompt
qu'on a pu
creativity
créer
and
avec les Dream
expression for
Snaps
them.
en fait.
So, if you play the
Alors,
game
pour ceux
now,
qui
there's a new
s'impatientent dans le
Dream Snap
chat, il y a
challenge
une partie
each and every
présentation
week
du
that
jeu
brings a new
et
theme for you
ensuite
to
il y aura une
decorate to. You
partie
can see what
avec
other people are
les
doing with those
annonces.
themes
Mais on
and
savait dès le
vote
départ qu'ils allaient
on the different,
parler de la
images that
genèse
you
du
see.
jeu en fait
And,
et de la
I just have to say, like,
création
our
et
team
voilà.
internally, we are always
Donc
looking
un peu
at the
d'impatience,
Dream
c'est un
Snaps that are
showcase
coming
un
in,
peu
just so you
particulier.
know. And we are obsessed with what our players do. Like, the amount of creativity that we see from this community is so incredibly impressive. We're always
Ils disent
asking,
que
like, how did they
la
do that?
créativité qu'ils voient avec les Dream Snaps les font
I'll
halluciner
scroll
en
on
fait.
socials and be like, I didn't even know that was in the game, but they came up with it, and it's awesome. Who did their Dream Snap challenge this week? And reminder if you haven't, but and I feel like it's only fair for us to show some. So here's up on the screen a few from this year.
We love when there's like a story in them, like you could see Donald there in that last one.
Donc
like,
là,
just
ils
the
montrent
creativity is
des
amazing.
scènes qu'on a pu
I do
créer
not
pour
know
les
how
Dream
anyone does
Snaps.
this. I like typing.
Voilà, merci. Oui, patience
So
comme dirait
well done,
Ratini.
y'all. This is amazing.
Ça brille toujours
These are
beaucoup
so
quand même. Hein.
beautiful. Oh my gosh, the bee
Pas
is so
celui-là.
You
cute.
could say beautiful.
Bees. Oh.
Donc c'est aussi une bonne façon de rendre hommage à
But
la
also, I
communauté.
guess, aside
Là, on
from
voit les
Dream Snaps
cartes
and a lot of the other things we've
de
explored, how about
certaines
we get
mages.
into how else the community has shaped the game?
Okay, so in short, the community has helped
Là, il
shape the
demande
game
comment la
a lot.
communauté,
We had 18 characters at
fait,
launch, and now we have
fait le
over
jeu, en
50.
fait.
You can see on the
Comment il
screen
le
right
façonne.
now some of the art from all of our many free updates that we've brought to the game over the years. It just keeps growing. And we
J'aime beaucoup
are
cette
really
image,
inspired by
avec
what
plein de
we
mages.
see the community talking about and what people want to see coming to the game that
Ah, elles se lisent
really
comme
helps
ça, les mages,
inform
en
our
fait.
roadmap and what we're going to bring
Enfin,
both
comme
for
ça et comme
characters
ça.
and for features in the future.
Absolutely. And two of the things that our players really
Avec
love, I
plaisir,
find, are,
Céline,
you know,
mais encore,
new
il y a plein
furniture,
de
new
trucs que
ways
je
to
dis
get
pas.
creative, and characters. So take our most recent update, Pixel Perfect. We got to welcome Wreck-It Ralph to the Valley, which meant we got to add a bunch of retro game outfits. yes.
And a
Là, il parle de la
We
dernière
got to
mise
add a
à
bunch of retro
jour.
game outfits and furniture like arcade machines,
Ils
which are
ont
all
rajouté
inspired by
beaucoup
the
de choses
film,
de
and like
rétro
brought people
gaming,
a new sort of
comme des
angle and a
décorations
new
et des
like,
costumes.
can I make an arcade? Can I, make a bigger arcade? I don't decorate.
Et
I
il parle
told
du
you.
processus de création, en fait. Est-ce qu'on doit
So
mettre
the other
ça?
big
Est-ce qu'on
thing
doit
though
mettre
was we
ça?
got to reunite BFFs Ralph and Vanellope, and fans were super excited to see that. And we got, like Courtney said, we love seeing everyone's reactions on socials and stuff. It was super rewarding.
Ils
It
disent
was
qu'ils aiment
also
aussi
very nice
regarder
for
sur
me
les réseaux
because
sociaux
Vanellope
comment
was
la
the first
communauté
character I
réagit
wrote,
par
and then
rapport
I
à
got
ce qui
to
arrive
write
dans le
Ralph too.
jeu.
So I got to bring them back together, which was so nice. It was really fun.
Et le fait,
So
par
we're
exemple,
always
de
trying
réunir des
to,
personnages d'une match
bring
à
new
l'autre, comme
aesthetics,
Vanellope avec
reunite those
Ralph,
best friend characters or those pairings that you really want to see. We know that our fans love
et
it, and
que
we
la
love bringing
commu
that to you as
veut
well.
aussi
So,
voir ça.
yeah.
Là, ils ont ramené
I
Ralph
certainly do,
et
so thank
la
you.
commu est contente de voir
In
Ralph et
addition
Vanellope
to
à nouveau
adding
ensemble.
fan favorite characters and reuniting iconic duos, we look for continuous ways to bring experiences to our existing characters that you already love interacting with in the Valley. We've introduced new features like the Grand Exhibition, where players can display their collection with the help of Olaf,
Alors là, en fait,
taste delicious energy-inducing dishes
elle
at
parle
Tiana's
du musée
restaurant,
d'Olaf.
and even shop at Daisy Duck's boutique.
Et
who's a true
elle parle en fait du
fashionista,
fait
as we all
qu'on
know.
ait
We
rajouté
also love to find
avec des
authentic
personnages certaines
opportunities to
choses comme
expand the
le
connections
restaurant
players
de
already
Tiana,
love and
le
built
musée
with their
d'Olaf, ce
Dreamlight
genre de
Valley
choses.
villagers, which gives us
Et ils disent
insights to
effectivement que
improve the game
certains
moments for the
univers sont
community.
encore
Yeah, we really
à
try to look and pay
compléter
attention
et
to when
encore il y a
something in the
encore
game is a bit
des
overly
amis
frustrating for
à
players and see
se
how we
faire
can
retrouver,
improve it,
etc.
either through quality of life, but also a big thing we look for is ways that we can
Ah, et
bring
donc
some sort of
celle
help to the game
qui a le
that's
haut
very
avec les
authentically
méchants, elle a
Disney as well.
designé
So, to
Ralph.
give
Merci
an
poétiquement
example from way
livresque.
back, we noticed, sometimes for players it was a little bit frustrating to find
Mais non, c'est pas un
flowers in the
calvaire, le
game.
musée d'Olaf, mais
So
il est trop
we
bien.
were bringing,
Regarde,
Beast
Dreamlin
and
s'est dit
Belle
qu'elle
to the
aime
game
trop.
at that time, and they felt like they were connected in a really interesting way
Et
with
Marina, je
flowers.
t'ai pas dit bonjour.
So we brought Beast's greenhouse to the game, which is a way that you can get flowers a little bit more easily or have a different source for them, but also in a way that's kind of like a payoff for Beast and Belle's story in the Valley so that it can all fit together and hopefully feel very Disney authentic.
Yeah, Josh, you're totally right. Every part of the player experience really does inform how Dreamlight Valley evolves. Currently,
Ils
there
disent
is
que
always something to do in the Valley.
toute
From new
l'expérience en fait de
content to new events,
Disney Dreamlight
seasonal
Valley,
and
ils
holiday
le font évoluer,
celebrations.
par exemple
Every
avec
week there is
les
something going
fleurs qui
on
sont
when
plus
you log
faciles
on.
à
We love to
voir.
also celebrate Disney
Je
real-life
pense qu'il parle de
happenings
Neglo
in-game,
Woods.
and a perfect example of that is the recent release
Elle a
of our
ses notes
first
sur ses
adventure
genoux, la
pack,
dame.
the Honeyglow Woods, which celebrates a very special milestone for our dear friend Winnie the Pooh.
Of course, how could we forget Winnie the Pooh's 100th publishing anniversary? How about
À
we
bientôt,
talk
Dark
about how
Lacuna.
this celebration came to be in the Valley?
Yeah, definitely. So we knew we wanted to do something bigger and extra special since it's quite an important milestone for Winnie the Pooh. And if my math is correct, I think many of us grew up with Pooh and friends in the 100-acre wood, and we thought, what better way to pay tribute than to create an adventure pack? Which is the Valley's new way
Là,
to
il parle de la
celebrate
genèse en
franchises
fait
with
de la
dedicated
création
themed
de
areas.
Winnie l'ourson. Ils
The
se sont
Honeyglow
dit
Woods Adventure
qu'il y avait
Pack is truly
énormément de
inspired
joueurs
by
qui
the
avaient dû
100
grandir
Acre
avec
Wood,
Winnie
and the
l'ourson.
memories
Et
fans
quoi de
have
mieux
made
de lui rendre hommage que de
alongside
créer un
these
aventure pack
truly
sur,
cherished characters.
sur
Yeah,
Winnie
I
l'ourson en
think as
fait.
a panel of Disney fans and a room full of Disney fans, I'm sure that everybody
Merci
here
les
probably
filles,
has
merci
had,
Replay pour le message que tu viens de
lessons
mettre.
over the years from Winnie the Pooh. He's such an iconic and like wise character. For
Elle
us,
dit voilà que
one
c'est
of the
aussi
lessons that really stuck
un
out to us
personnage
was kind of
iconique.
the joy of just doing nothing, or slowing down to take time with the people that you care about. That's something that jumped out at our team right away as a theme for the Adventure Pack. It's something we set out to capture with the Adventure Pack, and I'd like to think
Coucou
we succeeded,
Zazoueuse.
so-
Yeah, we were really inspired by a moment
Non,
towards the end of the
Marine
many
Angèle, pas
adventures
encore.
of Winnie the Pooh, where it's Christopher Robin and Pooh, and Christopher Robin is kind of saying to Winnie the Pooh that he might not have as much time soon to just do nothing because he's going to be going off to school. And it's just this really poignant moment. It's one of my favorite things
Je comprends
ever.
pas
It's
il parle
just
de
for
Winnie
anybody
l'ourson
who
et
might have, like, I
Christophe
have two
et
young
tout ça, mais je
nephews,
comprends pas trop où ils veulent
who
en
are
venir.
about that age, and it really hits me right in my heart, that moment. And so looking at that, we wanted to capture that feeling and give players kind of like one more lazy summer day with these characters in a world that's inspired by the magic of the Hundred Acre Woods. Where
Nel
you get
Mija,
to
merci
meet
beaucoup à
not
toi,
only
t'es
Winnie the
adorable.
Pooh, but also meet Eeyore
Mais je
and
fais
meet
pas grand-chose,
Piglet
hein.
and go on adventures.
Là, en fait, il parle de
make everyone
passer du temps
emotional.
avec Winnie l'ourson,
So sweet,
de rien faire
pun
pendant une
intended.
journée avec
But
lui.
of
Je comprends pas
course,
trop où ils veulent en
how
venir.
else can we explore this adventure in the adventure pack?
Well, what we love about this new area is that it opened up a new game feature that helped bring players even closer to Winnie the Pooh. We knew it wouldn't be a Winnie the Pooh inspired adventure pack without a very special ingredient. Can anyone guess what that special ingredient
Alors,
is?
ils disent qu'en fait, Oneglo Woods
You got
permet
it.
vraiment
Lots and lots of
de
honey.
s'immerger
So we
complètement
took
dans
honey
l'univers
and we
de
expanded
Winnie
it with fun new
l'ourson
gameplay.
et d'être
Obviously,
proche
we
de
all know that
lui
Pooh Bear
avec
is a big
cet
fan of
univers en
honey,
fait
and
100%
rather
Winnie
than
l'ourson.
just bringing it
Et
as an
il parle du
ingredient, our designers
miel.
saw an opportunity to turn it into a fun gameplay. We really wanted to highlight the process behind making honey in real life. Bees are super important for the environment, and so that's how this came about. We got to introduce beekeeping in the adventure pack, so that means you get your own little bee house or apiary.
Ils
And
nous
just
disent
like
pas
in
un
real
autre
life, you get to move flowers
pack
closer to
aventure
produce more
avec
honey,
tout ce qu'ils
and
disent
then
sur
you get to
Oneglo
use that honey
Woods.
to do things like cook really delicious, cute honey-themed meals, or make new honey-themed furniture that you can put in the Honeyglow Woods or anywhere in your valley.
J'écoute
It
pas
is
trop ce qu'elle
really,
dit.
really adorable, and it's definitely something to buzz about.
Bon, j'espère qu'ils vont parler du futur
Oh boy.
après quand
I
même,
know.
parce
For
que
you,
là,
Courtney.
ils s'attardent quand même
The
beaucoup sur
puns on our
des
team
détails,
really
pas
fly
des
fast
détails,
and
mais bon,
furious. You've gotta
des
watch
choses qu'on a
out.
déjà découvert en fait.
But like it's exactly like with Lady and Tramp and the spaghetti. Like you can't bring Winnie the Pooh and not bring honey to the game, right? Like you've just kind of got.
Alors, lisez ce que Annie Poétiquement Livré, c'est tout ça.
Like
C'est vraiment ça, pardon.
Example of that in this adventure pack is Eeyore. The
Oui,
second we
Bibou,
start
ça
talking
devrait
about
être
bringing
30 euros,
Eeyore to
mais
the game,
pour le
it's
moment, on
like,
n'a pas
he's
d'infos.
got to lose his tail, right? And you've got to have to find his tail, and maybe in the meantime, you find some wacky substa-tails to put on him. So like that quest kind of just writes itself, and we really ask ourselves that with every character, like what would players be disappointed not to see if they got to spend time with this character?
Luna, que du
I
blabla.
think
En fait,
another thing to give credit to is the whole world of
il
Honeyglow
parle
Woods
du
itself.
jeu,
Like,
de la
the
genèse du
biome
jeu,
is
etc.
beautiful. I spent a lot of time decorating that. I'm sure many others have too. It's so bright and fun. And I know we've spoken about, you know, the process behind creating everything, but what has been your guys' favorite part of the journey yourself?
Là, il demande quelle est
That's a great question.
leur
This is such a cop-out answer
Ouais.
first, but everything.
leur partie préférée
I love this game. I love our team.
dans le jeu.
I love our community. Like it's seriously one of a kind.
Donc elle aime
Don't
plutôt
always have
l'humain,
how
le
lucky we
jeu,
are. We have
la
such an
team,
amazing gaming community.
des développeurs,
So
les
that's, like, a
joueurs.
big part of it. The other, I guess, the more personal one for me is getting to work on the Beauty and the Beast realm.
Et elle,
I-
elle a aimé travailler
like
sur
many,
le
growing up
royaume
in Disney
de
Renaissance,
La Belle et la Bête.
I really, really loved Beauty and the Beast as a kid. This is maybe weird, I'm realizing now, but I have sketchbooks
Elle a
full of, like,
adoré,
Beast from high school. So
Elle a
he's just,
adoré
like,
La Belle et la Bête et en fait elle avait des croquis de La Belle et la Bête
so,
quand elle était
like, I just
au
lifelong
lycée.
love for these characters, and so when I got told like, Riley, you are writing the Beauty and the Beast realm, it was my first
Chaton
really
maudit, je
big,
pense
like,
pas
pinch me moment on the
à
game
suivre, mais
where
je pense
I
pas
was
qu'il y a un
like,
nouveau guide.
kid me would think I have the coolest job. And so yeah, that was tops.
Well, grown me thinks you have a very cool job too.
Thank you.
I completely agree with Riley, and for me, my like inner child freaking out moment, maybe you can tell from my shirt, but I am a huge
Ah oui,
Toy
c'est vrai
Story
qu'il a une
fan,
chemise Toy Story.
specifically. So
Donc
I
lui, il
was
dit que
like
c'est un fan
about
de
the
Toy
age of
Story.
Andy growing up with those movies, and I kind of like
Il a grandi
grew
avec
up
ce dessin animé.
alongside him. So when I was a kid, I had Buzz and Woody toys, and I fully
Il avait
thought
des
the movie
jouets
was a documentary.
de
like,
Buzz et de Woody et ça lui
I
rappelle
was
plein de
trying to like
souvenirs.
catch them out of the corner of my eye, like maybe they'll move. As I grew up, like Toy Story 3 came
Et il
out when
espérait,
I was
quand il
in
était petit, que les
university.
jeux
I my mom had
deviennent
taken me to
vivants,
go
si je
see
comprends
the
bien.
first two movies. I got to go take her to see the third one, and what Andy was going through was like, and his mom were going through was exactly what we were going through of me moving away and everything. So
Il dit qu'en fait,
very important
notamment dans
place to
Toy Story
me, those,
3,
those movies,
ce qui se passe dans le
and,
dessin animé et
getting
ce
to work
qu'il a
on those
pu
characters
vivre
and
aussi,
actually,
et ce que
like,
beaucoup de gens ont pu
kind
vivre
of
avec le fait
put
de
words in the
grandir,
mouths
la
of
mère
those
qui jette les
characters
jouets,
of an
etc.
adult is just a dream.
That's wonderful,
Et il dit que
Josh.
bosser
I too
sur la
stared at my
création de
toys
ça
and
dans un
hoped they
jeu
would come
vidéo,
to
c'est un
life.
rêve pour lui.
So for me personally, I am a huge fan of player customization and cosmetics in games.
Alors elle,
which
elle aime
Dreamlight Valley
décorer
is just
dans
full
le
of.
jeu.
So I'm also always been a gaming companion and pet collector. So I
Et donc elle
literally
aime
squeal
également
out loud
avoir
every time I
les
see a new one
animaux
that's
et,
being added to the game.
et
Have y'all seen
collectionner
our new
tous les
hedgehogs?
animaux.
They are unbearably adorable.
They're so cute.
Et elle
With that
adore les
cute little
hérissons de
mushroom stuck on their
Neglo Woods.
quills. I just love them. But cosmetics and cuteness aside, my truly favorite part is being able to bring you, the fans, a game where you can really live out and create your own Disney experiences.
Et ce qu'elle
It
aime
is
surtout,
so
c'est
great to
que
work on, but it's
les joueurs
even
peuvent
better
créer leur
seeing
propre
fans' reactions to it.
expérience de
I
jeu.
will jump in and absolutely agree with that point.
Elle a peut-être dit
because
d'autres trucs, mais j'ai pas
personally,
compris.
I always jump into our community live streams. I'm either lurking
Bah alors,
or I'll say
Kaléa,
hi,
t'aimes
and
pas
just to see
Alice?
what people like or how they react, and it's very enjoyable. I don't know if you guys have ever jumped into them, but
I lurk sometimes.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, I think it's time. I think we should dive into a few of the surprises that we have.
Elle a dit, on va
Are we
plonger
ready?
dans les surprises.
The first one is coming sooner than you think, as next week we will be celebrating the anniversary of two absolute icons in the Disney family. Let's take a look.
Ah oui, bah oui, forcément. Ils vont parler d'Hannah Montana. Ils disent que la semaine prochaine, ils vont mettre en avant deux icônes. Donc Lizzie McGuire et Hannah Montana. J'en avais parlé il y a quelques jours. Donc tout ce que vous voyez, on va l'avoir dans les 2 prochaines semaines. On a même la tenue de Taylor Swift dans Hannah Montana le film. Avec là, on voit les poses photos exclusives. On va voir avec les perruques ou les accessoires.
I mean, are we kidding? Whoa.
Alors oui, Céline, on sait déjà, effectivement.
All right.
La petite
Next
Kéart,
up,
là,
we'll get
est
into the
plutôt
future.
sympa.
Maybe Riley, you want to tell us a bit about that?
Après, en vrai, c'est pas une grosse surprise qu'ils en parlent. Je m'y attendais.
I am so excited today to talk about the final 2 updates of the year. First,
Donc
with
là,
our
ils vont
big
parler des
Halloween
2
update that's coming
prochaines
up.
matchs.
We are going to be bringing Oogie Boogie to the Valley.
Donc, Oogie Boogie officiellement arrive en septembre.
Yes, that's right. So we are going to be
Avec l'étrange Noël de Monsieur Jack.
and causing all sorts of trouble.
Là, on est dans
we're gonna
dans
do
le
this
dur,
in
là.
like a brand new 6-week event with 1 new quest each
Il va y avoir un
leading
event
up
de
to
6
Halloween,
semaines, elle dit.
with lots of new Halloween-themed and Nightmare Before Christmas-themed prizes.
Et beaucoup
and maybe
de
a little
nouveautés,
surprises along the way. So
des
stay tuned
surprises,
for that one.
du
And then
Halloween
for
et
the
du
final
étrange Noël de
update of
Monsieur
the year,
Jack.
I am so
Et
excited
la dernière
to
mise à
finally say that
jour,
we are bringing Lilo from Disney's Lilo and
Lilo
Stitch
de
today.
Lilo et Stitch. Quelle
That's exactly
surprise!
how I felt. My
Si vous
heart is
suivez ma
exploding right
chaîne,
now. Thank you
vous le
for
saviez.
reacting along with me.
Bon bah voilà,
So-
bon donc Lilo
Yeah,
et
we are
Oogie
so
Boogie.
excited to be able to reunite Lilo and Stitch,
Alors,
BFFs,
par contre,
just in time for the
il
holiday
donne
season.
carrément,
It's
c'est même
gonna
pas
be
it is, il
heartfelt,
donne
it's gonna be
carrément
Lilo and
les
Stitch
personnages.
chaotic, it's
Oogie
gonna be
Boogie,
so
on
much
le voit
fun,
sur,
and I can't wait
sur
for you to
l'image.
see what our team's been working on.
I know she's been one of our top requested characters, so we're very excited for this one. And of course, for our last reveal, Josh, you want to set the scene?
Et ils ont un truc
All
à
right,
révéler en
so
plus.
We knew we couldn't leave D23 without giving you a little bit of a peek at what we're working on for our next expansion.
Ils vont parler de la
So
prochaine
without
extension.
further ado, why don't we dive right in?
Et on va plonger dedans. Oh, trop bien, une bande-annonce. Oh putain. On est dans les pirates là. Oh mais c'est trop beau sous l'eau. On va pouvoir nager. Putain, ça y est. Et sirène. Keep sexy. Oh putain. Oh, c'est trop bien. Jack Sparrow, forcément. C'est Jack Sparrow. Oh, génial. Génial.
I have goosebumps.
Eh, on a la petite sirène. Hein.
I recognize that. Is that?
Bon, c'est trop bien la mini, le petit teaser.
All right, well, I won't dig any further, Axel, but there's more reveals to come, so stay tuned to our socials. But we hope
Elle
you
dit
guys
qu'il y a d'autres
enjoy.
choses à
And I guess that
annoncer, donc
reaches the
restez
end of our
connectés aux
panel
réseaux
today.
sociaux.
So we're going to give you guys a big thank you for attending. Of course, don't
Elle
forget
dit, je
on the
pense
way
que
out to
c'est
grab
la
an
fin
exclusive
du
pin.
panel.
And of course, I have our giveaway results. I got passed a note.
Donc ils ont tous eu
So
un
the winner
pins.
of our giveaway is Cassandra Wando.
Donc là, elle annonce la gagnante de la console. Voilà.
So make sure to visit one of our team members up on the front before you head out. And we have one last surprise for everybody in here
Ils ont
and
une
at
autre
home.
surprise,
You
ça
look
va
up
être
on
le
the
code.
screen. We have a special in-game item to redeem to
Voilà,
celebrate
donc
D23
oh excellent,
together.
il brille
There's
la
a code
nuit.
for you.
DVD 23 panel gift.
Glows in the dark.
Et
Bring a little
trop
magic.
bien,
One more time.
trop bien. Ah c'est cool ça.
All right, well, thank
Je
you
prends une
guys.
photo.
We hope you have a great rest of the expo. And of
Bon,
course,
voilà.
we'll
See you in the valley.
Bon, alors ça a duré peut-être un peu moins longtemps que prévu.
Thank you
mais
for
pas
joining
mal
us this
d'annonces.
session.
Hyperion State